So I think people will be really surprised what all we can accomplish in a 1 hour coaching call. This is Laura, and she and I met this morning. She's an elopement and engagement photographer based out of Indiana. This was her former homepage. We spent the first half of the call actually talking about the algorithm, search engine optimization, how to kind of break all of her targets down into really, really minute pieces so that she can use that to create some organic themes in order to write her blogs and to make her social media posts. We talked about how to create, we actually made her a brand kit on Canva, made a template for her blog so that things can be really unified, got her brand colors in there set up and her fonts. And then we started focusing on the website. So the last half of the call, and basically about a half an hour, this was her former homepage. We actually turned it into, rather than just being this little kind of lovely about where you get to meet her, we changed it instead into a much more mobile friendly version. So now we have this nice long scrolling that kind of helps her reach out to people a little bit better. She is going to be updating these galleries here on the front page. She's going to start adding her blog posts, and then we'll be able to take those blog posts and add them into this newsletter feature so that she can start getting that content out to people. We also helped her get her social accounts set up so that now she can push and pull content directly from Instagram and then push all of these blog posts out to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, so she can be posting to all of these great platforms and truly take advantage of internet marketing all in one easy step. So we'll be following up for another session in the future to kind of review her blog posts, talk about kind of some of the people that she could be following to increase her traffic and her own following and driving traffic back to the website, and kind of working on some of those techniques, as well as fine-tuning kind of her vision for the site. But right now, huge transformation in the site itself. And then we also just had a great brainstorming session to talk about her social media and kind of her vision for the future. So 1 hour, we can do so much.